Regenerating forests, a journey of renewal. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey into the heart of nature to explore the concept of regenerating forests. This fascinating process is not only crucial for our environment but also a symbol of hope and renewal. So, let's dive in and discover what makes regenerating forests so important. When we talk about regenerating forests, we're referring to the natural or assisted recovery of forests that have been depleted or destroyed. This regeneration can occur through natural processes, where the forest recovers on its own, or through human intervention, where specific actions are taken to help restore the forest. The goal is to bring back the trees, plants, and wildlife that once thrived in these areas, creating a healthy, functioning ecosystem once again. Forests are vital for the health of our planet. They act as the Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They're also home to an incredible diversity of life and play a key role in water purification and soil conservation. Regenerating forests, therefore, has multiple benefits. Combating climate change by increasing the number of trees that can absorb greenhouse gases. Biodiversity conservation by providing habitats for various species. Supporting communities by ensuring a supply of resources like wood, fruits, and medicinal plants. Forests can regenerate through two main methods: natural regeneration and assisted regeneration. Natural regeneration happens without human intervention. It can occur after disturbances like fires, storms, or logging, provided the area is left undisturbed afterwards to allow for recovery. Assisted regeneration involves human actions to speed up the process of forest recovery. This can include planting trees, removing invasive species, or protecting young saplings from being grazed by animals. Regenerating forests is not without its challenges. These can include land degradation, invasive species, and climate change. However, with proper management and conservation strategies, such as creating protected areas, enforcing laws against illegal logging, and engaging local communities in conservation efforts, we can overcome these obstacles. Regenerating forests is a beacon of hope for our environment, offering a pathway to restore biodiversity, combat climate change, and support local communities. By understanding and supporting these efforts, we can contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to learn more about the incredible power of regenerating forests.